Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make some cinnamon biscuits, and I'm going to be using some flaky jumbo biscuits to show you, okay? And I got a little twist for you, okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Let's do it. Okay, let's open up our biscuits, okay? Okay, let's take them out. If I can separate it, I don't know. Okay, doesn't look like it wants to separate. So you know what? I have a knife. That'll get it separated. Okay, so let's just take the biscuits, put them on the plate. Now you want to just take each one and kind of just make like a little well in the middle. So you're bringing the edges up like I'm doing, so that you have like a seat down there, okay? Bringing the edges up, pushing the bottom down. Almost like you're making a cup. Okay, and I got two more to do. So you see how I can take my hand and then I have a cup? That's what you want. And I have one more. Okay. Now, we're going to mix in some brown sugar. You don't need a lot. That's probably a fourth of a cup, give or take. And cinnamon. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. Okay, let me clean that up. Okay, so now you're gonna take the brown sugar and cinnamon we already just made, and you're gonna put a little right in the center. Don't put it on the edge if you can, because you want to fold this up. Okay, so you see what we're doing so far, right? Alright. So now, here we have the cinnamon and the brown sugar in the middle. So now we're going to fold this over and close this. Pinch it good so it doesn't open up. So that's what we're looking like. Okay, now I gotta get a pan. Here's the pan. I'm gonna put a couple of drops of oil in it. Just so that nothing sticks. And then we're gonna put it right in the pan. See that? Okay. So we'll keep going with this process. Let me wipe my hand. See, I folded it over. Pinch again to double ensure that it's closed. Tap the edge so it don't look raggedy. Okay? And the next one. Pinch, close. Re-pinch again. When you pinch, kind of like pull up a little bit on the dough so you're really making a good seal. Then take your hand and smooth it over so that you don't have no rough edges, okay? Next one, same thing. Now I'm going to go on the edge again to ensure it's sealed. Smooth that over by just patting. Okay? I think I need a bigger pan. 1 second. Okay, I changed over to this pan because I was just really too crowded in that one. Okay, after this one I have one more. Fold it up, pinch the edge, close. Maybe we'll call this half moon biscuit. How about that? I like that. Pat it down, and she goes. And I got one last one. I'm going over it again to ensure it's closed. pat it down. Okay. So that's what we're looking like. Okay. I'm going to put this in the oven on 350. Okay. And we'll be back. Okay guys. Cinnamon, sugar, cinnamon, half moon biscuits are out. Let me let you take a look at that. Look at that, guys. Cute, huh? Okay, so now I have some of my margarine smart margarine that I was using earlier. And I'm just going to brush the top. When you brush the top, it gives it like a nice glaze color. Let me let you see that. Pretty, right? Okay, let me plate that up for you. Okay, here's our cinnamon half moon biscuits. Let me see if I can tilt it so you can get a good look at that. Wow, nice, right? That is so cute. So I can think of many things that you can do with this. You can stuff it with crab meat or shrimp, right? Okay, and bake it like that, or pepperoni. Oh, I can think of many things. Don't get me started. You know, I can dream. Okay, let me taste it. Really, really good. And I made some fried apples in another setting. You can have the fried apples with the biscuits. Oh, that would be a great combination. I love it. Talk to you soon. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below, because if you might want to support this girl in every way. Talk to you soon. Love you.